In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lodge your 2026 income tax return through MyGov and the linked Australian Taxation Office service for rideshare and delivery income. We'll go through the process from opening the portal, accessing the correct tax return, entering your business income details, and then submitting your deductions and final lodgement. The goal is to make this simple and clear, especially if you're reporting income from rideshare or delivery work. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the MyGov website. Once the portal dashboard loads, sign in using your usual authentication method. Make sure you're using your own secure login details and complete any identity verification steps required to access your account safely. After you're signed in, go to the linked Australian Taxation Office Services area and open the tax modules for the 2026 financial year. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct year before moving forward, because that helps avoid entering information into the wrong return. Next, find your active 2026 income tax return. On that row, select the Lodge option. This will open the return so you can begin reviewing and entering your information. Move through the tax return until you reach the section for business income items. In this area, enter your total gross revenue from rideshare and delivery activities. This should be the full amount you earned before expenses are taken out. It's a good idea to have your records ready before this step, such as app summaries, payment statements, or bookkeeping totals, so you can enter accurate figures confidently. After that, upload or submit your verified deduction receipts where required and make sure the details match the expenses you intend to claim. Before finalizing anything, review your entries carefully, check that your income totals are correct, your deductions are supported by valid records, and that everything appears under the proper section of the return. Even a quick review can help prevent delays or the need to correct your lodgement later. Once everything has been checked, complete the electronic lodgement process and submit the return. After submission, look for the lodgement tracking or confirmation screen. This is important because it shows that your tax return has been successfully sent and gives you a way to monitor its progress. If available, save or download the confirmation for your records so you can refer back to it later. That's the full process for lodging your 2026 tax return for rideshare.